In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down to access Apps section. Over here. Finally, click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those options that you wish to manage. Lastly, click on your new downloaded app that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!